Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install Steam on Windows. Let's see. At first go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. Here and type Steam download. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, that is store.steampower.com. Click on it. Now it started. Here and click on install Steam. On clicking, the link is visible wherein you can directly click on install Steam. Now the setup will start. It will download the exe file. The exe file downloaded. Double click on it to install. Minimize. Now the setup started. Welcome to Steam setup. Click next. Now select the preferred language. I'll go for English. You can select any language. Click next. Now choose install location is visible. Here in the destination folder is the following. Click on browse. Okay. If you want to change the location, but I'll keep the default, which is fine. It will take only 446, that is 446 MB, which is fine. Click on install. Now the installation started and it got completed so quickly. When I'll click on finish, it will run because it got by default selected. Or you can also click on the desktop shortcut. I'll click on finish. It will now update and open Steam for the first time. Now I need to sign in if you are already having an account, or you can directly click on create a free account. So I'll create it and select this. I'm 13 years of age or older, which is correct, and click on continue. And go to your email ID, the following email ID which you added, and verify your account. So I verified my email ID. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Steam on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.